All right, so we're going to be doing a quick overview of the Introduction to Vertebrate Biology lecture that we did a while ago. It's just so you know what you should know. So right here we have a couple of different vertebrates. We have a newt, we have a crocodile, or an alligator. I think that's a crocodile. Or is it an alligator? No, I think it's an alligator. Anyways, that's not too important. We have a molo, which is a type of fish. We have a cassowary, which is a type of big bird. And then we have a shrew right here. So one of the important things to remember is that all living things are related to each other. Some of them are more related to each other than others. For example, you and me, which are both humans, are more related to each other than, say, something like a fish. This little diagram just shows you the variety of these different things and how we could go back in time and see that they share common ancestors with each other. So, for the principles of evolution, this is important for you to know. The most important thing to remember is that evolution is the process by which life changes, and that pretty much explains why we have so many different kinds of animals, or all living things, in fact, not just animals. And that evolution usually occurs through natural selection and mutation. And then we have things that have like artificial selection, which humans do. And that's like the reason why we have a bunch of different kinds of different dogs and stuff, or certain fruits or vegetables are way bigger than they are naturally because we've artificially selected for them. So then we have a quick overview of phylum Chordata. So these are the 5 traits that they have here. Remember that. Right here, all of these are chordates. These 3 at the bottom are vertebrates, but these 2 aren't. So keep that in mind, that phylum Chordata is not the same as the vertebrates, but the chordates do include vertebrates. Herpetology. This is the study of things like reptiles and amphibians. Ichthyology talks about things like fish. Mammalogy talks about mammals, which includes us. Then we have some other things that don't exactly fit into these other groups. Things like hagfish, lancelets and lampreys, and tunicates.